How to make PlayStation account without PlayStation. First, I want to using PC here, so go to the web browser. Here you can simply search the PlayStation. Now go to the official website of PlayStation. Now here you can simply tap on sign in. So now it asking sign in to the PlayStation. So right now I want to just create account, so simply tap on create account. In here it will be display some basic information. You should confirm it to create a new PlayStation account. So the first thing you have to just select your country. So right now I want to just select here Saudi Arabia, and here you can simply write down the postal code, city and state. So I just want to fill all the informations here, and once you successfully these information, you have to just tap on next. So now it will be display some more detailed informations. You have to just put your email address, because if you want to create a new account on a PlayStation, you must need a verified email. So if you have a verified email, you can simply put here your email address. And now here you can select your display name. So I just want to write down my display name, first name and last name. And now here I want to just select receive via email, and make sure you check mark on understanding terms and condition of PlayStation. So one thing is remaining. I just want to put here my unique ID for my PlayStation. So this is basically a username. You should try to create your unique username for your new PlayStation account. So right now I want to just put this name, and notice that this is not available. So now I want to just try another, and here I want to just tap on next. So you notice that once again it asking confirmation. So I want to just tap on confirm, and now on last you need to simply create a strong password for your new PlayStation account. So here I just want to put my new password for my PlayStation account. After that you have to just tap on create an account. So now it take a little bit time to successfully create a new PlayStation account. Now here it asking verify your email address. So I want to just go to my email address, and here you notice that I have received it. So simply tap on verify, and you notice that I have successfully done. So go back to the PlayStation website. Now here you notice that I have successfully signed in my new PlayStation account that I have recently created. So with the help of this process, you can easily create the PlayStation account without PlayStation. So after creation of this PlayStation account, you can easily use this account on your real PlayStation device. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this video helpful for you, then please like, comment and share this video. Thank you so much for watching.